If you are an Android user, then surely this video is for you. I'll be showing you 5 tips and tricks that you could be doing during your day-to-day usage. Guys, if you're interested in watching this video in Hindi, then the link to our Hindi channel will be there in the description below or in the card section above. Guys, my name's Kev, you're watching Noise Tech, and let's get right into the video. If you have multiple accounts logged into your phone, then you can easily swap accounts. Inside your Gmail, you have to just swipe down and you can easily swipe between them. Swipe up and you can go back to the previous account. Suppose you want to share a video with your friend with the exact timestamp. You want him to start at 1 minute and 51 seconds. So click on share, click on the app. Now in the share, just you have to end it with a question mark, then T is equal to 1 minute 51 seconds. Now the next time you open this link, this will open at the exact same timestamp at 1 minute 51. Suppose I keep this over here. Now I go back. You click on that link and you will see your video starts at 1 minute 51 seconds. That's how you share the exact same timestamp from where you want your friend to start a video. Suppose you have to instantly copy and share a text with your friend. So go in your multitasking panel and now open it in split screen. Open the second app, that is messages or anything. Search for your friend's name. Now you have to select the text that you want to copy. And now all you have to do is drag and drop, and this is how you send it. You can easily add text shortcuts to your keyboard. Just write the initials, hit space, and it will do the thing for you. Now how do you do this? Go into your keyboard settings. In your keyboard settings, there's an option Smart Typing. Then text shortcuts. Add all the shortcuts that you want. OMW is on my way, YT is YouTube, WYD what you doing. Anything you want to add, you can add here and then use it on your keyboard. Suppose you want to go to a new location and add it to your home screen. Just type the name of the location that you want to go to. Click directions. Now after that, click on this menu and now you have all of this. The only thing you have to do is add route to your home screen. Here it will create a widget add. So now this will create a widget on your home screen. When you click on it, it will directly show you the Google Maps. Just start and you're good to go. So guys, these were the 5 Android tips that I wanted you guys to try out. If you end up liking this video, do hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, enable notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.